Hello and welcome back to SciTech and happy Halloween. In this video, I'm going to show you to make a very simple LED wall light silhouette with using just a few simple parts. And I'm going to show you to make this in this video. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need. What you're going to need is this piece of cardboard, this 12-volt power supply, and as you can see, I've already soldered in an LED strip. I have right here a piece of silhouette, which is actually a piece of cardboard that I've carved in the shape of a jack-o'-lantern. And this black piece of paper came from a photocopier that I've opened the lid and it printed out a black sheet of paper. The reason why I use the black sheet of paper is to give it more of a shadowy appearance when the light glows from the outside and the light glows through the inside, giving it more of a silhouette appearance in the dark. And as you can see, there's a line on this power supply, and there are 3 lines that are on this piece of cardboard. The reason why I did that is because I measured the size of the power supply and the line that's on the power supply, which is the center. Doing that allows me to center this piece of cardboard. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it into place. Just like that. Put an extra hot glue around it so it stays into place even better. Just like that, and now I'm going to go and put my LED strip closest to the back, enough for it to be able to glow behind the jack-o'-lantern. A little bit of extra glue to glue it into place. There we go. Add a little more glue so that way it stays in more firm. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my silhouette and place it right about here. Enough space for the LEDs to shine behind it to make it glow. Too close, you would see it won't work as well. Too far, you'll end up seeing the LEDs. This position is the correct position, and it should look just like this. And there you have it. It is now complete. Now, let's go ahead and test it out. And there you have it, it works. Now you have a spooky LED silhouette glowing in the dark. In this case, it's a spooky jack-o'-lantern. And there you have it, now you know how to make an LED wall silhouette with using just a few simple parts. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye and happy Halloween.